Markets are tanking again. This is not looking good because Bitcoin's breaking down again. We just had one big bounce because of Trump and all his announcements yesterday, and now it's already can't hold on to that key support area around 91 to 92K. And the alts are doing pretty bad as well, down something like 9 to 10% on average across the board, where we are right now with Bitcoin and the altcoins after this crazy roller coaster weekend we've just had. So we had a very good close for Sunday. This was a very good bottoming tail, and this closed above this 91.8K neckline. Everything looked great, but as we speak right now, early into the Monday trading session in the US, it's already pulled back. This line actually supported Bitcoin quite a number of times. Do we get a bounce off here or a bounce off maybe the second supporting green? If we close below this 90.8 area, I'd be pretty worried. Hopefully, this is just a wick down. It would be great if we can close above 92K, have a couple of closes above there, and then bounce. And then just get above this 98, 99K area, because we can have a bunch of tops here. Then that would look good for crypto. Maybe it's just shaking out the market right now, but certainly the market is spooked. Look at the altcoins reaction, right? Bitcoin down 4%, ETH down 10%, and that's spooking so many coins. Everything down 7 to 9 to 12%. This was Bitcoin dominance. Yesterday actually looked really good because this is the trend line that supported Bitcoin dominance all this time. This was the crash when ETH went to 2,100 the first time 2 weeks ago. And then yesterday, when Trump announced the news for XRP, Solana, ETH, and Cardano to join the national stockpile, it tanked. That's what we want. Bitcoin dominance tanked just at the trend line. This is literally the entire bull market so far. Bitcoin's winning against the alts, and basically Bitcoin dominance bouncing off this line, but then boom, almost having a full bullish reverse, bullish engulfing candle. If it stays under this 91K, 90.8K area for a couple of days, then we could have a full breakdown. And once you break the neckline, you boom, go to your full target, which is around 72, 73 for 70s area. If we have two closes below this 91K area, that's what this would look like. If we can close today above this 92K area, maybe tomorrow as well, that would say we've established ourselves above this 92K and it's showing a lot of strength. Then next thing is an expansion above 100K, maybe get to 809, get to there again. Bitcoin goes to 73K, ETH has a chance of visiting 1700s. Let's have a look at a quick update on Solana. My buy stops around 120, 110 have different levels of entry, and I just missed my entry by $5 and then went up on a big run. But see how it got rejected at this line, 182, this blue line. So it popped above this blue line, but what's bringing it back is actually this channel, because there are so many times Solana price has respected this channel here. So pop slightly above, then we come back in. Also, see this yellow channel, which acted as support back here, this 160s area is now acting as resistance. Bitcoin break at the Solana breaking back into this channel. That's not very good. If it was to keep going higher, I really want it to hold at least 165, then consolidate and go. By breaking down, it loses. Look how many support lines it loses. It loses this blue rising trend line. It loses this downward channel. It gets back inside the downward channel and gets back inside this big channel as well. This is what it looks like on the weekly chart. Great bounce, great weekly close. We cleared all of this and then boom, and then lost it. But this is still only early in the trading day in the US. I was like 11 o'clock in the US or something. We need probably at least 2 days to confirm a breakdown back into this big trading range. Of course, all of this quite much depends on where Bitcoin is, that 92, 91K area. That is the key. Watch it like a hawk, folks. Thank you guys. Catch you another time.